beach again. Now the big restaurant there is the restaurant that we towards there where we were last year. What was it called again? Robin and Rita. This is a very nice. Yeah, up in that far corner over there is very private. We don't do too many selfies, but Joan is saying, she says to me, cocktails, most of the time they're really fun.
I said, cocktails are fun. And then you said,
they're always fun. No matter what.
Yeah. Cheers, guys.
Oh, cheers. This is more of a public beach here. And you can just drive in from over there, and then you can park.
It's shady over there.
Yeah, we can walk. We'll walk towards there, right?
In front of Pi.
Yeah. Let's go do that. Ciao. This is one hell of a beach here, and it is busy. And all along here, Robin, there's a million places where you can dine at the bars. There's bars all the way along here. It's a great shallow swimming area, and a great beautiful beach. Joan is over there. I think we'll go for a drink. And over in that corner over there, very exclusive place to stay. Island over there. Okay. Very, like I said before, very exclusive. And that one over there also very exclusive. But it would be a Rita and Robin place. No problem. There comes Joan in her Thompson fuchsia dress. Of course, it is all silk. And why wouldn't it be? And we're gonna go in there and have, pretty sure we're gonna have a martini in there.
What I'll do is I'll get this Raha old fashioned. It's got monkey shoulder whiskey, Dom Benedictino, spices, and homemade chocolate bitter.
Really? And what is it?
I'm gonna live on the wild side.
And it's about 500 baht, so 5 times 4, $20
Yeah, okay,
Canadian.
but it's the only time I'm going to get it here.
Yes,
We're here,
yes,
so
exactly.
I'm not gonna get another
So it's a Sunday,
fancy drink.
and it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, so a one-time thing.
Okay, perfect. Ciao. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Anyway, I think I'm gonna get this Bloody Mary over here. The vodka one. Not the bourbon, but the vodka Bloody Mary.
That's a good choice.
Yeah, I
I'm
think-
jealous.
Also around
20?
Canadian.
Okay.
That's not what
That's-
most bars charge in this. Like, but this.
No, no.
This is the most expensive.
Yeah.
But it's so
This
nice
is
to sit here in the shade.
but it's just lovely here. And
Yeah, and the views are nice on the people walking on the beach. Yeah,
a nice clientele.
nice fun. The crossing of the Jordan River. This would be nothing new to the Israelites leaving the Egypt. Well, there's my Bloody Mary. And there's Joan's drink.
Let's see, what is it?
Well,
Big huge ice, and then there's some.
and then there's a thing on top, I guess.
The,
And you got to pour that on there.
this?
I would think so. That's the monkey whiskey.
All of it?
Well, yeah, of course.
Wow.
I think I may have to carry you down the beach.
No, you have to go get the car. Look at that. Wow.
Well, it was
Let me
fantastic.
taste it.
No? You like it? Yeah?
Oh yeah, it's got like spices.
Yes.
Like it's kind of like a spicy, cinnamony, clovey kind of spice.
I'm just going to get you drunk enough to get you.
And then a bit of espresso or chocolate.
Oh, yeah, that's what
With
that is.
With whiskey.
Yeah,
What a nice
that's what that is.
combination. And
Oh.
a huge
Block of ice.
block of ice to keep it cold and actually
Wow.
melt in there. So
Amazing, yeah.
pretty lovely.
Okay, let's do it. Cheers. No paper straws on here. No paper
Plastic?
straws drive me crazy.
Oh,
Look at it. Nice celery. Okay. All right. Now we're talking.
piece of shrimp in there? Ooh, you have a whole meal in there.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Is it good?
If you don't have hair on your chest, you will have. I don't do too many selfies, but Joan is saying, she says to me, cocktails, most of the time they're really fun.
I said, cocktails are fun.
And
And then you said,
they're always fun. No matter what.
cheers, guys.
Oh, cheers. Oh my God, this Bloody Mary is good.
Is it as good as the one on the Singapore Air
Well, this one's better.
on New Year's Eve?
So this one is better.
Oh, okay.
But this is Oratio hot. I'm talking hot, hot, hot.
Now you're
No.
gonna get hooked on selfies.
Yeah. These damn things are good. Ooh, good, good, good.
Is it good?
Oh, brilliant. It's a good thing I'm going to make you some really
Oh,
nice.
you're gonna make a good recipe. After this, we're gonna go
Oh,
back home and we're gonna cook all afternoon.
exactly.
It's gonna be good.
Ciao.
Ciao. Are you ready?
Yeah, Joan is going to try it.
I'm tasting Harry's Bloody Mary.
I'm telling you, that thing is hot.
Oh! Wow!